I need all my content creators to come to the front. This is a game changer. Welcome and welcome back. I am Sin. Now, I know you read that title and was like, wait, what? So YouTube has the stories feature? Well, yes and no. They did a few years ago, but they took it away. And to be honest, YouTube, we need you to run that back. Do you know how much traction, subscribers, and views creators would get if this tool came back? This is a massive feature. Every platform has it. So the only way to get this feature back is for us to demand it. We need to put some noise out there and say, hey, let's run it back. You may not like how it went the first time, but let's run it back. Everyone is using this on platforms, okay? Every platform has it, even TikTok. YouTube, you're the biggest. YouTube, you're the biggest. Bring it back, YouTube. Give us a chance to show you. Now, I think when they had it the first time, you had to have over 10,000 subscribers to get this feature. But no, when you run it back, YouTube, let's make it for everyone. We all need it. We need the story feature. Just think about it. Let's say you in Walmart and Walmart has a sale. You can literally post it to your story. To me, that's in real time. Now, I know we do have YouTube Shorts, which is hand in hand, but that YouTube story, come on now. Comment down below if you would love for YouTube to bring back the YouTube stories. Give us a chance, and then we can get more subscribers, we can get paid, we can get views. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. Just imagine you see something that you really like or something that you're doing in real time. You post it to your story instead of making a whole long form video about it. When you can break it down in your stories and still get your views, still get your watch time hours, and still get paid if you're getting paid. And on top of that, new subscribers. Now, YouTube Shorts is the easiest way to get your subscribers. Just imagine if they added YouTube Stories. Just imagine how many subscribers you can get off YouTube stories if you're posting quick little stories all day. People gonna feel like they're with you in real life, real time. Real time. So the absolute only way to get YouTube stories back is to make noise. Let YouTube know that we want this feature back. Give us a chance to show them how this feature really can help us. And really can help them as well, because it'll keep people on the platform, and that's what YouTube wants. YouTube wants viewers to stay on the platform. So why not add a feature that will keep viewers on the platform along with long form, shorts? Come on now, YouTube, work with me, work with me. You're not new to this, okay? You're not new to this. So I need you to share this video to as many people as you can so that it can get back to YouTube. Now, I'm working now. I'm working. Trust me, I'm working. But I need y'all help. So I need y'all to share this video to as many people as you can. I need you to comment down below that you want the YouTube Stories feature to come back. Comment down below. Do it right now. Put, yes, we want the feature back. YouTube, please bring the feature back. Put it down below. This video is going to get around. It's going to get back to YouTube. I've been working on the back end. It's going to get there. It's going to get there. And we're going to have YouTube stories, and it's going to be thebomb.com, and we're going to love it. So real quick, if you've been thinking about getting a Cronus Zen, this is literally the best time of the year to grab one, okay? Christmas deals are already rolling in, and if you're shopping for a gamer, your kid, your boyfriend, your nephew, or for yourself, this is the kind of gift that has people screaming on Christmas morning, okay? It's very small, as you can see, but obviously, if you're a gamer, you already know what the deal is. Also, I'm very curious to know, what type of content would you put on your YouTube stories? Comment down below. Would you put your Starbucks drink? Would you put that you're taking a walk? What would you put? Like me personally, I probably would show behind the scenes on how I get ready to make videos. Or, to be honest, I really would take y'all behind the scenes on my real life. Like, this is what Sin do when Sin's not recording. Sin goes to Starbucks. Sin makes trips back and forth to her kids' school. Sin cooks. Sin love to shop. Sin cleans. You know, I would show behind the scenes of my real life. Like, I really want this tool to come back. Really want to, because on Facebook I use Facebook stories a lot. Like, my whole little life is just over there. So if I had YouTube Shorts over here, I would take you guys behind the scenes as well. So comment down below, what would you do on your YouTube stories? Comment down below if you want YouTube stories to come back. The only way it can come back is if we ask for it. YouTube listens, but we have to make enough noise in order for it to work. So comment down below right now. Right now, I'm gonna give you seconds. Comment down below. Tell YouTube, bring it back. Bring it back, YouTube. Bring it back. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out. And don't forget that knowledge is power.